In past few months, you surely have heard of ChatGPT and watched many YouTube videos related to it. Even some videos on how to make money using ChatGPT. But have you wondered how it all begins? How AI was created and what is the first artificial intelligence ever created by humans? But before getting any further, remember to like and subscribe. In the first half of 20th century, the idea of artificial intelligence was first introduced by science fiction. Now, movies are made on the concept of how the world take over by the robots. By 1950s, we have the generation of scientists who grew up watching those movies. One such person was Alan Turing, a young British polymath who explored the mathematical possibility of artificial intelligence. Human use available information as well as reason in order to solve problems and make decisions. So why can't machine do the same thing? This was the logical framework of his 1950 research paper. So it was clear that AI was possible, but it doesn't mean we can create it right away. But by 1950s, computer lacked the key feature for intelligence, which is memory. They could not store commands, only execute them. In other words, computer could told what to do but could not remember what they did. Also, computer was very expensive. It cost up to $200,000 a month only to operate a one computer. Only certain universities and big technology companies could afford it. So, some type of proof was needed for the government to fund the research. 5 years later, the proof was initialized through Alan Newell and Harvard Simmons Logic Theorist. It was probably the world's first AI, designed to mimic the problem-solving skills of humans. From 1957 to 1974, AI was growing like crazy. Computers could store more information and become faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Machine learning algorithms also improved, and people got better at knowing which algorithm to apply to their problem. Early developed AI was also able to interpret the spoken language. This success and as well as the advocacy of leading researchers convinced government agencies to fund AI. The government was particularly interested in a machine that could transcribe and translate spoken language as well as high throughput data processing. Optimism was high and expectations were even higher. In 1970s, Marvin Minsky told Life magazine that from 3 to 8 years we will have a machine with the general intelligence of an average human being. However, basics are done, we still lack something for achieving the end goals. And the thing is lack of computational power. Computers simply could not store enough information or process it fast enough in order to communicate. For example, one need to know the meanings of many words and understand them in many combinations to communicate. Computers are still millions of times weaker to exhibit intelligence. The hype of AI was fade away, so did the funding. But the situation was about to change in 1980s. John Hopfield and David Rumerhart popularized deep learning, the technique which allowed computers to learn using experience. Computers are even able to mimic the decision-making process of human experts. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer program, is able to defeat the world champion. It was like there was not any problem that machine could not handle. Even human emotions was fair. Kismet, a robot developed by Christiana Brazil that could recognize and display emotions. From Netflix movies recommendation to YouTube's video suggestions, we all completely surrounded by AI, which are our part of daily lives. By now, you surely have convinced that machines surely are intelligent, but have you wondered, is it conscious? To find the answer, be sure to watch our next video. Till then, goodbye.